Welcome back everyone. This time, it will be a Webcake mastery. So building a multiple product or page inside Webcake. So Webcake is the hosting na at the same time builder na din. So domain lang talaga ang kailangan mo. Hindi mo na kailangan na bumili pa ng other hosting. Okay? So disclaimer lang. So meron tayong mapapag-usapan ngayon na mga products which is may papakita ko sa inyo ng mga products. So disclaimer lang no, na all the products mentioned or showed in this training or in this webinar is not affiliated to Pancake. Yan. And this is for training purposes only. Ito yung napili kong product na ipapakita sa inyo since I am affiliated with this one. But Pancake is not the one na affiliated sa company. Ako lang po yung affiliated doon. Okay? So I am doing a drop shipping which is yun yung product na makikita nyo ngayon sa ating whole duration ng ating webinar. Okay, so pag-usapan muna natin yung pag-create ng account sa Webcake which is totally free lang din naman siya. So this is the link, no? Click nyo lang po itong sign in. It doesn't matter if sign in or sign up ang i-click ninyo. So sign in lang tayo. And pag-click natin ng sign in is that ganito po yung lalabas niya. So meron tayong dito na Google account, pwede niyo i-click para ma-sign in na kayo. Pwede naman kayong mag-sign up using your emails, something like that. But ako kasi mas madali pag Google account na yung pipindutin natin. Pindot lang natin 'yan. Okay. Tapos continue with webcake.io. Click niyo lang 'yan ha. Once you sign up using your Google account here in Webcake, kung mapupunta kayo dito sa landing page management. So naka-blank pa lang 'yan kasi first time pa natin, no? And next na natin dito once na meron tayong account, bago tayo mag-design,